Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest home innovations. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best kitchen trash can with a vacuum feature on the market, the EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum. Designed for efficiency and convenience, this device promises to revolutionize how you clean your kitchen and more. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. The EyeVac Pro is not your ordinary kitchen appliance. It's a 1400-watt corded canister vacuum that boasts powerful suction capabilities, ideal for swiftly removing dust, hair, and debris. What sets it apart is its touchless operation, thanks to infrared sensors that activate the vacuum automatically when you sweep debris towards it. No more bending down with a dustpan, just effortless cleanliness. With its 1400-watt motor, this vacuum ensures that even the tiniest particles are effectively sucked in, leaving your floor spotless. These sensors detect your sweeping motion, triggering the vacuum to start automatically. It's a game-changer for busy kitchens or any high-traffic area. Equipped with dual high-efficiency filters, the EyeVac not only cleans your floors but also purifies the air by trapping dust and allergens. Designed for commercial use, it's robust yet sleek, fitting seamlessly into various environments from kitchens to hair salons. So, how does it perform in real-life scenarios? Many users rave about its suction power. Perfect for homes with pets or high-shedding environments. The touchless operation means minimal effort, just sweep and let the EyeVac do the rest. It's particularly handy for those with mobility issues or who simply want to streamline their cleaning routine. In conclusion, the EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum is a standout product in the realm of home cleaning. Whether you're a homeowner looking to simplify chores or a professional seeking efficiency, its innovative design and powerful performance make it a worthy investment. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products like the EyeVac Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.